Welcome to Motivate and Explore. What if going to the moon wasn't just about exploration anymore? What if it was about building a supply chain in space? Not a one-time mission, not a flag and footprints moment, but a system that moves people, cargo, and technology back and forth between Earth and the moon. That's exactly what Artemis 2 is preparing to do. More than 50 years ago, Apollo 17 became the last time humans walked on the moon. That was in 1972. Since then, no human has returned, until now. NASA's Artemis program isn't about repeating the past, it's about building the future. This time, the goal is long-term human presence, scientific research, preparing for missions to Mars, and building a lunar supply chain. Because the moon is no longer the destination, it's the next step. Artemis 2 will be the first crewed mission of the Artemis program, but it won't land on the moon. Instead, it will send astronauts around the moon and back. This mission is about testing everything before humans stay there long-term. Artemis 2 will follow something called a free return trajectory. That means the spacecraft loops around the moon and naturally returns to Earth using gravity. No complex burns are needed to come home, making it one of the safest paths in deep space travel. At its peak, the spacecraft will travel around 24,000 miles per hour. This mission uses two major systems, the Orion spacecraft and the Space Launch System. Orion carries astronauts and is built for deep space, not just low Earth orbit. The Space Launch System is the most powerful rocket NASA has ever built and is designed to carry heavy cargo beyond Earth. Together, they form the backbone of a future space logistics network. NASA isn't just sending astronauts, it's building a system. Future missions will include cargo deliveries, fuel transport, lunar habitats, and communication networks. The moon becomes a hub, not just a destination. The moon has resources like water ice, rare materials, and a launch point for deeper missions. Instead of launching everything from Earth, we could build and refuel in space, changing the economics of exploration. Back in 1972, Apollo was about winning the space race with short-term missions and limited technology. Today, with Artemis, it's about sustainability, long-term presence, and building infrastructure. Apollo proved we could go. Artemis is proving we can stay. Artemis 2 isn't just a mission, it's a test run for something much bigger. A future where space isn't explored occasionally but used every day. Because the next great supply chain won't be across oceans, it'll be between planets. Because what's happening right now is just the beginning. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.